Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub, where AI meets real-world engineering.
Have you ever felt like a broken record with your AI coding assistant? Explaining the same rules, the same styles over and over again? Well, what if you would teach it your team's specific workflows just once and it would remember them forever? Today, we're going to dive into a super powerful feature called Claude Skills that does exactly that. It transforms a general AI into your personal, specialized coding partner. Yeah, this probably hits close to home, right? It's that feeling of Groundhog Day with your AI. You're constantly repeating yourself, just hoping for a consistent result. It's a huge frustration, and it's precisely the problem that Claude Skills were built to solve. You know the drill. You ask for a commit message, you get something fine but generic. You ask for a UI component, and yeah, it works, but it looks nothing like your project's design system. We call this AI slop. And it's not just a time waster, it introduces all these little inconsistencies into your codebase. So here's the big shift in thinking. Instead of treating your AI like a new intern that you have to train from scratch every single morning, what if you could just give it a permanent onboarding guide? Well, that's exactly what Claude Skills are. They are quite literally playbooks for your AI teammate, the Claude Code agent that lives in your terminal, teaching it your team's unique way of getting things done. Okay, so what are Claude Skills technically? Well, as you can see, they're basically reusable expertise packages. They live right there in folders on your computer, filled with your team's special workflows, your style guides, all your best practices. This is what takes a generalist AI and turns it into a specialist that knows your project inside and out. This slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way, typing out these long, detailed prompts over and over again, and all that precious context just vanishes the second the session ends. But on the right, with Skills, you define your process once, and Claude just picks it up automatically from then on. The difference is night and day. It's a huge leap in consistency and, let's be honest, your own sanity. All right, so this all sounds great, maybe even a little bit magical, but how does it work without completely bogging down your AI with tons of information? The design is actually really, really clever. So let's pop the hood and see what's going on. You might be thinking this is some super complex setup, but it's not. It's actually dead simple. A skill is really just a folder with a markdown file inside it called skl.md. That's it. This whole file-based system makes it feel just like you're writing up an onboarding doc for a new teammate, organizing all that knowledge so it's easy to find and use. Now you've got these playbooks, so where do you put them? There are two main spots. Personal skills go in your home directory, and these are for your own habits, like that specific commit message format you love to use everywhere. Then you have project skills, which live right inside the project's repository. These are for the team-wide rules, the stuff everyone needs to follow. The best part? They get shared automatically through Git. Okay, this is the secret sauce. The reason this whole thing is so efficient is a concept called progressive disclosure. Think of it like a super smart lazy loading system. First, when Claude starts up, it only glances at the name and a short description of each skill. That's it. It's super cheap on tokens. Then, only when your request actually matches a skill's description does it bother to load the full instructions. And finally, it'll only read extra files like big doc pages if the instructions specifically tell it to. This is why you can have dozens of skills ready to go without ever overwhelming the AI's context window. Now, this is a really important distinction to get. There are basically two flavors of skills. On one hand, you have capability uplift skills. Think of these as giving your AI brand new tools it didn't have before, like the ability to scrape a website or create a PDF. On the other hand, you have encoded preference skills. These are all about teaching your AI how to use the tools it already has, but according to your team's specific rules. Getting this difference right is the real key to eliminating that generic AI slop for good. All right, enough theory. Let's get practical. Let's move from the how to the what. What can you actually do with this stuff? The best part is, you don't even have to start from scratch. There's a whole community out there building powerful, pre-made skills that you can grab and use right now. And here are just a few examples to get your imagination going. You've got Firecrawl, which lets your AI pull data directly from the web, amazing for research. There's the front-end design skill, which helps you get UIs that actually match your design system. Superpowers can help you automate entire TDD workflows. And check out Document Skills. It lets Claude work with PDFs, Word docs, Excel sheets. That can be an absolute game changer. Using pre-built skills is awesome, but let's be real, the real magic kicks in when you create your own custom ones. So now for the fun part. Your turn. Let's walk through just how easy it is to build your very first playbook. And don't worry, it is way simpler than you might think. And you don't have to stare at a blank page. Anthropic built this awesome little tool called the Skill Creator. And get this, it's actually a skill that helps you build other skills. It just interviews you, walks you through the whole process, so you don't have to sweat the details of file structures or syntax. It's really just a simple 4-step process. Seriously, you launch Claude Code, you tell it, hey, I want to create a skill for whatever it is you want to automate. It'll then ask you a few questions about your workflow. And then poof, it generates the skill for you. You just save it in the right folder, restart, and you're good to go. It's like a guided brainstorming session that actually produces working code at the end. Okay, so as you start building your first skill, just keep these 3 little tips in mind. They'll make your life a lot easier. First, keep it focused. 1 skill, 1 job. Simple. Second, write a super clear description. This is probably the most critical part because it's how Claude decides whether to use your skill or not. And third, try to use what's called a use when pattern. Literally start your description with something like, use when the user asks for a code review. This little trick makes your skill so much more reliable. And just like that, you've done it. By creating just one of these simple playbooks, you've started to transform your AI from this generic, one-size-fits-all assistant into a truly specialized teammate, one that knows your rules, remembers your preferences, and helps you work faster and way more consistently. So I'll leave you with this question. What's the first playbook you're going to write for your new AI teammate? Think about your day-to-day work. What's that one little repetitive task you absolutely hate doing? That's your answer. That's the perfect place to start.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for practical AI.